This week, we're bringing Mother Nature into our house. So we looked at something that every home should have, that will put a smile on your face and holds water. What is it? Vases. In the glass category, this is the ombre glass vase from Kalo Chic, an Etsy store, at $29.99. In the stoneware category, hand-thrown by world-famous Heath ceramics, this is the multi-stem vase. It comes in a number of colors. It is $98 and perfect. And in the porcelain category, and our overwhelming top pick this year, this is the faceted porcelain vase from our friends at West Elm. $29 for the shorter one and $34 for the tall. So that's it for this week, everybody. Check out our top picks, including our overall favorite from West Elm, in the post below, and I will see you next week.